just got to park it.
Oh, that's a super piece of defending. Holland. Now with Ronaldo. Can they take the lead? In it goes! He scored on his debut, and his fans are loving that.
Just look at this again. The combination play in the top third of the field was so precise. And Ronaldo's shot is then hit with such power. He's a top-class player when he gets into those areas.
The fans have waited and wondered, would it happen? Now it has happened. Now it's all about his debut. And a warm welcome. Our venue today is the Etihad Stadium here in Manchester. My name is Derek Ray, and sitting alongside me in the commentary box, providing expert analysis, is Stuart Robson. And what we have for you is live action from the oldest cup competition of them all, the FA Cup. It is Manchester City, and they face Bournemouth.
Well, the hosts certainly go into this game strong favourites. They have better technical players and can be brilliant when everything clicks. But their opponents are well organised, resilient and pose a threat on the counter-attack. Therefore, an early goal will be the main priority for the home team.
And a look at the starting 11 for Manchester City. Ederson between the posts. Rodri plays with Kevin De Bruyne in the centre of midfield. And so many different ways to configure an attack. In this case, it'll be two men up front. This is how the visitors will set up today.
Well, it's not fashionable, but 4-4-2 can still be a good system, both with and without the ball. Key to success today will be the wide players. They need to be the main creators.
Ronaldo. Oh, the keeper made it look routine. It was anything but. Kevin De Bruyne with the corner. And pure instinct from the keeper.
Well, a top-class reaction from a top-class goalkeeper. Brilliant stuff.
And still dangerous. Ball is loose. And problem solved for now. And the referee blows for a foul. Well, excitement aplenty following the arrival of Cristiano Ronaldo making his debut today. Stuart, what can we expect to see from him?
Well, he's a good goal scorer, we know that, but I'm also expecting him to link up the play, break off sidelines and work hard. He's the all-round striker.
Mukoko. Possession one. Ronaldo. That's a splendid ball from Ronaldo. Well, it might still work out for them. Oh, what a clearance under pressure. Had to react and did. Not giving him a moment's peace. City pushing forward with options available. Oh, dealt with by the goalkeeper. An example of a goalkeeper in top form here. Messi. Well, body in the way. Oh, that's a super piece of defending. Holland. Now with Ronaldo. Can they take the lead? In it goes! He scored on his debut, and his fans are loving that.
Just look at this again. The combination play in the top third of the field was so precise. And Ronaldo's shot is then hit with such power. He's a top-class player when he gets into those areas.
So underway again here. 1-0 to score. Youssoufa Moukoko. Now David Brooks. Plenty of running room in the wide position. But nothing comes of it. Rodri. Oh, big chance. Clearing the lines, and so it will be a corner now. Put in by De Bruyne. Well, still an issue here. And the attack fizzling out. Oh, he's given it away. City moving the ball forwards. What can they do from here? Brooks. Well, breaking at pace is always a possibility. Well, a disappointing end to that break. And just 1 minute of time added on for stoppages. Cristiano Ronaldo. Ronaldo threading it through. And so the half-time whistle is sounded here in Manchester. Well, underway once more, and it's going to be fascinating to see what developments occur in the second half. Davies. Mbappe! Well, it's all going so swimmingly for them here. Another goal, and now it's a matter of avoiding any silly mistakes.
Well, as you can see, the cross by Davies is absolutely inch perfect, and Mbappe's movement and penalty box awareness makes that finish look easy. That's a really good goal.
Ronaldo feeds it. Who's going to win this joust?
Well, here's the replay, and it all starts off with that cross into the box, just begging for a teammate to get on the end of it. But then you have to ask what's going on with the defending. He's afforded far. Far too much time, nowhere near enough pressure on him, and they're punished as a result.
So a personnel change then. Is this going to be a thrashing? 3-0 now. Well, big news for Milan fans. News on the transfer front. They've got their man, Stuart.
Well, certainly a lot of focus on the boy over the last year or two, and he seems to have a bright future ahead.
Oh, big chance here! Got to it easily, the keeper. Musiala. Here's Ronaldo. Jérémy Doku. But he could be onto something. Davies. Firing it towards goal. Well, just narrowly wide of the post that time. So deciding to make a personnel change at this juncture. Yassine Adli. Good work from City to win back the ball. Ronaldo. Well, this is certainly the home of live football, EA TV, and looking forward to bringing you more action from the Premier League. It's Manchester City facing Burnley. Given away by City. Kluivert. Successfully cut out. And beyond the last defender, offside. They have elected to go to the bench at this stage of the game. Well, let's see if something comes of this. And there to intervene. Aarons. And Brooks in possession. Brooks. A chance for them to provide a test in the form of a corner. We take it short. And with that, the attack fizzles out. Christie. Adams. Adley has it. Kluivert. Kluivert. Well, a chip that went awry.
Well, maybe it was the right option, but his technique let him down there.
Alexander-Arnold. Jamal Musiala. Ronaldo untidy with the ball. And we've entered the final 5 minutes. Christie. Calvert-Lewin. And a superb challenge there. Bernardo Silva. Counter-attacking chance. The supporters want to see him have a go. Oh, he's going to be rightly proud of that moment. Sensational. A lopsided contest, 4-0. Intelligent threaded pass here. Davies. No more time left. The referee says that will do it. And it's Manchester City who go marching on.
Well, the result.
Cameras on one man in a rich vein of form and number one of the scoring charts. Will he add more today on EA TV? Hello and welcome to the northeast of England. We're at St James's Park on what is a rainy day. My name is Derek Ray, and ready with his tactics board to provide all the analysis is Stuart Robson. I'm very much looking forward to bringing you action from the Premier League. It's Newcastle United facing Manchester City.
Well, Derek, when looking forward to this game, you can't help but notice there are some great matchups all over the pitch, particularly in those central areas. Whichever team wins more of those battles will win the game.
Genuine chance. Oh, it's off the post. Incisive pass from Mbappe. Hold on. Watered by the post.
Well, what a good start this is by City. They really have played well so far. You can sense a goal is coming.
He keeps going, looking for a teammate. Great defending. Now you can probably see why we're focusing on this fellow as one to watch. Stuart, in particular, what do you expect to see from him?
Well, he's been in fine form in the league, as you can see from those stats. And it's going to be a real test for that back line to keep him quiet. If they switch off, even for a minute, they'll be punished.
To take the lead. Reading it well. Rodri. Great block again. Bruno Guimaraes. A very good tackle. In with a chance. The defender doing his job. Well, it goes down as an opportunity squandered. Not that the goalkeeper is complaining.
Well, I have to say, that's a poor effort from a very good position. He should be scoring there.
And short it is. Oh, how about that for the last line of defence? And a goal! 1-0 it is. They've been pushing for the opener, and now they have it.
Well, here's the replay, and it's a well-worked corner. They go short, change the angle, and then put the ball into the box. And then what a finish. That's been hit with such power and pace. The keeper has no time to react. It's a brilliant strike.
So the action continues, and it's up to the Magpies to wipe out that last goal. And that's an important intervention. The Magpies pushing forward with options available. But quick thinking defensively. Alphonso Davies. Really fine piece of defending play to break us up. Now, counter-attacking possibilities here. Gives it a go. That was going in. And unfortunately for him, he had worked his way into an offside position.
And I think everybody in the ground could see that was always going to be offside.
Alphonso Davies. Haaland. That's a good ball. Mbappe. Could play it in. It looked as though they had attacking momentum, but not so. So nearing the break, and City hold the edge. Stuart, how about your critique of what they put into the game so far?
Well, they've worked hard and played well to be in front here, but they now need to keep their focus as we approach half-time.
Newcastle moving the ball forward. What can they do from here? Well, didn't go to plan in the end. Able to skip past his man. Almiron. Well, the fans really want him to shoot. And a decent save, full credit. An example of a goalkeeper in top form here. Just 1 minute of stoppage time, say the officials. Haaland. The ball with Rodri. He's in with a chance. And getting in the way of that. Superb defensive play. And no more time left. That will conclude the first half here at St James'. So back in business here, City with the lead, but they won't be taking anything for granted. And unable to pick out a teammate, and that'll be a throw. Trippier. Well, they've given him too much space. And he takes on the shot. Rodri. Well, I can tell you, we've been waiting patiently to get confirmation of this, and now it has been confirmed. Bruno Fernandes has completed his move to Paris Saint-Germain.
Well, at around 70 million.
Oh, they could be in here, Stuart. And a goal it is from Manchester City. They are the team on course for victory.
Well, just look at how poor the defending is here. But I have to say, it's still a very tidy finish. He looked really assured there.
Back underway with the lead standing at 2-0. Bruno Guimaraes. On to Almiron. Oh, danger here. Can he put it away? Looked like a certain goal, but that's a great challenge. Messi. And we very much hope you'll join us for more live Premier League action on EA TV. It's Newcastle United facing Aston Villa. And a little too close to the keeper in the end. Mbappe. Here's De Bruyne. Chance maybe. Well, nothing comes of it. Isaac. And the Magpies moving the ball forward with purpose. Could reduce the deficit. That is how to keep it out of the net. And the referee now going back to deal with the earlier incident. A yellow card it's going to be.
Substitution for Newcastle United. Coming off the pitch, number 10, Anthony Gordon. To be replaced by number 15, Haavian.
Trying to deliver it accurately. Oh, great header. Smart stop though.
Well, they haven't seen too many chances, but the crowd sensing this could be a turning point. They need a goal here.
And Manchester City will go to their bench. somehow kept it out. Let's see about the delivery. Well, not away properly. Harvey Barnes. And putting his body on the line. Excellent assessment of the situation at the back. Well, we always enjoy bringing you live action on EA TV and Premier League action coming up. It's Manchester City facing Burnley. Now the goal kick will be next. They have elected to go to the bench at this stage of the game. Rodri. Here's Mbappe. Did well to win the ball back. Harvey Barnes. And it's with Isaac. Or might be. And it's in! This game very much back on as a contest.
Well, here it is again. He goes past his marker so easily with just a drop of the shoulder. And then through on goal, he just goes to power and smashes it past the keeper. There's no stopping that. What a great finish.
Well, back underway as we reflect on the goal that's made it 2-1. Alphonso Davies. Excellent use of advantage from the referee in City's favour. Haaland. Can he finish them off? He's done it! What a climax to this game!
Well, here's the replay, and I have to say, the keeper's got his angles all wrong there. That's a poor piece of goalkeeping.
So they get the ball moving again. 3-1 the scoreline here. What's going to happen next? Very quick thinking there. Well, no two ways about it, Stuart. City absolutely cruising to victory today.
Well, I think the scoreline reflects the difference between the two teams. For most of the game, they've dictated the play and they've created some really good chances. I think it's been an excellent performance.
Harvey Barnes. Plenty of players waiting in the middle. Just cleared away in the nick of time. Chance maybe to use their counter-attacking ability to good effect. And he's made headway. And a goal! If there were any remaining doubts, that will settle the issue.
Well, here's the replay, and just look how quickly they break forward once they win the ball back. And then through on goal, you never really...
And that is that full time here, and a win for City. Your verdict?
You're absolutely right, Derek. Their attacking play was excellent, full of energy and pace, and the midfield completely dominated the game. It was a great all-round performance.